my guardian's wife owned a knitting store, what would be now a yarn store. And I went to work for her in the knitting store and gave lessons and how to knit and so forth. She had taught me how to knit and crochet and all that. And this is relevant because she was bilingual in Yiddish and English. And this was right after World War II. It was in 1946, 47, 48. And in that part of Brooklyn where we were, a number of concentration camp survivors moved into the neighborhood, sponsored by other Jews. And they used to come to the store, and many of them told us their experiences. You know, when you go to a knitting store, you sit for a while and you talk, and it didn't matter if they were French Jews or Spanish Jews or whatever kind of Jews they were, wherever they were from, they all spoke Yiddish. And she spoke Yiddish fluently, and she gave them instructions in Yiddish. So I heard a lot of Yiddish then, and that was a very interesting experience.